Chuku come to me in Serenity Cooperative Care, NAS and Corporate Office in East Los Angeles, California, and in Carson. In our families, generations, ancestry worldwide. In USA, in all states in USA, in all hospitals, in all psychiatric hospitals, to take Akaotule, Ofor power, Okuku Calabash energies, all ndị otu Akaluwa, and peace with them. All ndị otu Akaluwa, all physical and spiritual colleagues and friends that follows all, and all in our destiny, making us and always want us to be in the good side, and all that turn their back against the being good and against them, they make them either have disease problem, shoot them arrow of disease and problems, or they put them basket of basket of mental disorder from them, and they start having mental issue, or render them useless. To take their Akaotule power, and their Okuku Calabash, and to make peace. I use male cow, female cow, roosters, hens, rams. You can get mother go 33 colonels, to awaken and energize us and energize you all, and skyrocket your Ofor, Akaotule, and Okuku Calabash energies on sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinity, orbit, in USA, NATO, Israel, Canada, Ukraine, Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, in all families. We use water, food, drinks, cigarette, weed to awaken and welcome all your power, authority, manifestation, and peace into our body. So Maribe, please, peace. Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku say 10, peace.